This is one LCD screen for iPhone X. You will see that this is the OLED screen. The LCD screen itself, it is soft. And here, this is the normal mold from the market. This part, it is for alignment, for lamination. You will see here, it has a rubber and the plate here. And this is for you while you're doing lamination, like this. And this part, it is for you to do alignment for the LCD screen and the glass. Okay, so this is the normal set here. But today we will show you what we have for the alignment mold and lamination rubber. This is our own design. Here, this is the base. Base is for you to do lamination. Here you can see a lot of slot here. This kind of slot, it is based on the IC and the components here on the LCD screen. So it will give it very good match. And also this kind of the rubber here, it is very soft. Compared with this one, this is more soft. It is customized for the OLED screen, for the soft one. And here, this is the top. The top one, it is for you to make alignment together with the LCD screen. But here, you will see, there is a little sticker here. So while you, for example, while you put the glass like this, it will stick the glass here. So the glass will not fall off while you're doing it like this. And this will increase the accuracy while you're doing alignment for this little part. And also, after you make good alignment for the mold and the rubber together, and here, for this part, it can give you the good view to see whether they can match it together perfectly. So these two, it can give you the good view. And also this kind of design, it is very beautiful, very nice for looking. Okay. But for this one, the rubber, it is too hard. It is not as soft as this one. So while you're doing lamination, it cannot give it very good match. And especially for this kind of components, it is not a perfect match. So that is why always people, they will get bubbles after lamination for the soft LCD screen, because it is not soft as this one. And this one here, it is for alignment. Alignment while you put the glass here, and then you flip. You flip, maybe you flip like this, but you can just cover it directly, like this, and then turn it, get it out. But in this way, usually it cannot give you very good match, because this will, sometimes it will move. And while you're doing it like this, it is not as convenient as you put it here and do it like this. Okay, so these are the advantages for our design, and also this point from the market. For more details, you can contact with us for the details about this kind of mold. And besides, we have 4 series for Samsung and 2 for this kind of mold. Okay.